Yeah. They've remodeled the fort since I was here last. It's just a bunch of rocks and burnt wood over here.
Listen here, you goober. That's just a fire pit. Fort Boone is over there on that side.
Well, why did we get up on this side?
Because we're being really sneaky, okay? Right. Hey, Rusty! Yes, sir?
Where are you fellas?
We're over here on the other side.
Being very sneaky.
No, we're not being sneaky. We're being helpful.
Well, the fort is over here, so you're not being very helpful by being over there.
Listen, here's my idea there, Sheriff. How about we stay on this side and help you look for any survivors or Indians?
All right, fine. If you see any survivors, send them over.
Will do. What you got there?
It's a flower.
Yes, Trooper Boggs gave me that the other day.
Oh, really?
Hey, fellas, thank goodness you're here. Okay, you all right? Indians everywhere.
What?
They're chasing me through the woods.
Where?
Back there.
Are you sure?
I'm positive. I think I'm missing something here. Yes, you are. Sheriff.
What?
We found us a weirdo over here.
Oh, I love weirdos. Send him over.
All right, get on out there. Maverick. Not you.
Sorry. Yeah, you.
Yeah.
All right. Where's that?
Why are you eating the flower? That is. I'll get you when we get back to town. Listen, you're gonna go get You're gonna go get the goat. Alright, just you wait, Sheriff. As soon as I get my hands on you, you're gonna look like a slice of Swiss cheese. Sheriff! Sheriff! Whoa! Hey! Maverick!
Rusty.
Maverick, you okay?
Yeah.
Alright.
I think it's time for us to rethink the nature of the agreement.
What do you mean?
I'm going home.
Going home? You can't go home. We gotta get the gold.
I don't want your gold. I want to keep my hide in my hiney where it's at. I'm leaving.
Alright, fine. Let's get out of here.
Let's get out. Get out of here.
Yeah, you pay for it.
We scared the Indians over now. Don't be back.
Give me half of.
Okay.
Y'all better get out of here.
Extra sugar.
Now.
Of course.
Chocolate syrup.
Now.
Denim.
How about a big round of applause for the Cowboys, the Tweetsie Tribe, and Trooper Boggs.
They love me. They really love me.
Alright, Casey, let's get these folks back to town, please.
Is everybody okay? Yeah. All right, good job.